Hi everyone, I'm Joico International Guest Artist Ricardo Santiago. Welcome to Joico's Education on Demand, your online source for salon classes and education 24/7. Today's class is all about toning the hair. Today I'm going to share with you all the important steps to toning perfection with LumiShine Demi-Permanent Liquid Color and Blonde Life Quick Tone Liquid Cream Toners. Let's get started. First, pre-treat the hair with the next generation in bond building, Defy Damage Pro Series 1 Bond Protecting Color Optimizer. Vigorously shake the can and angle it downwards as you spray the hair in short bursts, 3 to 6 inches away from the hair. Defy Damage is an easy-to-use spray-on bond protector that will provide 80% less breakage, make the hair 5 times stronger, and maintain over 90% color vibrancy. That makes all my color clients happy to know their color is going to last longer and their hair will be stronger. Apply it to horizontal sections about 2 inches apart. This will help to protect the hair from damage during the chemical services. I like to comb through for even distribution throughout the hair. You can already see shiny, healthier looking hair. Next, section the hair into quadrants. For this technique, I'm going to use the following formulas. Formula 1 is LumiShine Dimensional Deposit Demi-Permanent Cream Color 6 NWB and 8N mixed with 5 volume LumiShine Developer. Formula 2 is LumiShine Demi-Permanent 6 NWB, 7 NWB, and 10 NWB mixed with 5 volume LumiShine Developer. Start at the nape, take diagonal partings, and apply Formula 1. Follow the hairline. Take diagonal partings to help diffuse the shadow root. Here is a tip. Maintain the angle of your partings until you reach the occipital bone area. Then, start to pivot and over-direct your application as you work up the head. This will provide a seamless blend and transition for your root smudge instead of making it look like regrowth. Over-direct the next section as you paint the formula on. Next, apply Formula 2 from mids to ends, melting into the shadow root. Using the right tools for the right service is very important. Because my client is already blonde, I add dimension by going darker. I chose LumiShine Demi-Permanent Dimensional Deposit Creams because these deposit-only creams allow me to tone, gloss, glaze, low light, root smudge, color melt, cover graze, and blend. There is a difference in service applications when choosing which product to go to. When I want to gloss and tone or refresh the mids and ends of my client's hair, I use LumiShine Demi-Permanent liquids. When I want more opacity and long-lasting dimensional low lighting services, I use LumiShine Demi-Permanent DD creams. The difference is in the opacity. The liquids are translucent and sheer, while the creams are more opaque. Because I have these, I know I have the right products for any client coming into the salon. Starting in the front, take strong diagonal back sections to apply the formula, creating a seamless blend. Process for 20 minutes. Shampoo with Defy Damage Protective Shampoo and treat with Defy Damage Pro Series 2. Rinse and apply Defy Damage Protective Shield throughout the mids and ends. Finish the look with a little Joico Beach Shake Dry Texturizing Finisher for soft, shiny waves that look beach made, only better. I hope you enjoyed this class. For more classes like the one you just watched, be sure to check out our digital education library linked in the description below. Thank you for watching.